Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check out the dashboard of your Clickup account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Clickup website, and after going there, as you can see now, simply we have to go to the dashboard option. And after going to the dashboard, as you can see, has option for a simple dashboard. So if you want a simple dashboard, you have to click on the simple dashboard. If you want a team reporting and time tracking, these all type of dashboards are provided here. So I'm going to click on the simple dashboard. So let's click on this. Now if you want to choose the name, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the create dashboard, and the dashboard will be created. So as you can see now, the dashboard is created. If you want to click on the edit mode, you can also do that. You have to click on the edit mode. As you can see now, the 4 tasks and the 1 task in progress, and the 0 task is completed. So as you can see, if you want the task, create a new task, you can also do that. These all types of things are provided here. You can manage them, you can add them. If you want to add a card, you can also do that. You have to click on the add card, and now you have which type of card you want to add, you can also add that. So in this way you can manage your dashboard. In this way you can view the dashboard and edit it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.